Hello everyone, Sangeeta here. Let's have discussion or specifically revision on creatinine clearance test and its significance. So it has been asked as a question in university, creatinine clearance test and its significance. So let's see what is it. So before that, you should understand what is the meaning of clearance. So clearance is defined as a volume of plasma in ml completely cleared of a substance per minute and is expressed in milliliter per minute. That is the definition of clearance. So clearance always expressed in C and it is represented as C and expressed as milliliter per minute. So the equation to find out the clearance is always C is equal to UV by P. Among this, C is your clearance. Here it is creatinine clearance and U is for concentration of substance in urine. So here it is creatinine. Creatinine in urine which will be expressed in milligram per deciliter or milligram per 100 ml. Then V is for volume of urine expressed or excreted per minute. Urine in ml excreted per minute and P is for the plasma concentration of the substance. So here it is creatinine. So for to be an ideal marker, what are the criteria to be meet? So the clearance of plasma compound which is freely filtered by the glomerulus and is neither reabsorbed or nor secreted in the tubule. That is the best marker to identify as a glomerular filtration marker. Then measurement of clearance for the substance already present in the blood is preferred. That means the substance should be endogenous. So considering all these characteristic features or best marker, we can consider it as creatinine. It is produced normally in body, then it is produced in constant rate because creatinine is not influenced by any external factors because it is a part of the muscles. It is constantly present in our body, removed from the body only by the kidney. That is only route of creatinine to be excreted. No renal and tubular metabolism, neither reabsorbed or secreted in the tubules. Then easily, accurately measured. That these are the factors to become an ideal filtration marker. Now going to the creatinine clearance, the definition is creatinine clearance is defined as a volume of plasma in ml that would be completely cleared of creatinine per minute. That is the definition of creatinine clearance. So again the equation to find out is C is equal to UV by P. So U is urinary creatinine in milligram per deciliter, P is plasma creatinine in milligram per deciliter and V is the volume of urine excreted ml per minute. So the normal range of creatinine clearance is that 90 to 115 ml per minute. That is the regular range. So there is always a higher creatinine clearance for male compared to the female. Decreased creatinine clearance is a sensitive indicator of a decreased glomerular filtration rate. So this point to be kept it in mind, that is decreased creatinine clearance is sensitive indicator for decreased GFR. Suppose the creatinine clearance is 40 ml per minute. That means glomerular filtration rate is decreased due to any kidney disease. So the advantage of creatinine clearance is that extrarenal factors will rarely interfere. Conversion of creatine phosphate to creatinine is spontaneous and non-enzymatic, and there is a continuous production of creatinine in human body. The blood level will not be fluctuate, and it is not affected by diet or exercise. A small amount of creatinine is secreted by tubules, but it is a negligible amount. So being considered all these factors, creatinine is the best indicator to find out the glomerular filtration rate. And the interpretation of creatinine clearance, or we can tell that it is a significance of creatinine clearance test. A decreased creatinine clearance is a very sensitive indicator of reduced GFR. Then loss of 50% of functions of nephrons, which leads to doubling of the serum creatinine concentration. And the importance of creatinine clearance is in the early detection of functional impairment of kidney without overt signs and symptoms. Then Changes in plasma creatinine, which may not apparently indicate abnormal function, may show gross changes in the value of creatinine clearance. So this is all about the significance of creatinine clearance. So these are the factors affecting serum creatinine. Low muscular mass. So in old age, so factors reducing the serum creatinine are these factors like low muscle mass, females, malnutrition, medicines like thiazide and vancomycin may influence the serum creatinine. It always gives a low creatinine level in blood. So it affects the creatinine clearance also. So factors increasing serum creatinine, old age, males, renal disease, glomerulonephritis, renal diseases like glomerulonephritis, pyelonephritis, renal failure, urinary obstruction, conjunctive, other diseases like conjunctive, cardiac failure, dehydration, and certain medicines like amphotericin, cephalosporins, kanamycin. All these can also increase blood level of creatinine. Correct the clearance value with the body. So it is mandatory to correct the creatinine clearance value with the body surface area, that is 1.73 meter square. So we have a general equation to find out creatinine clearance is known as Cockcroft formula. So all of you please go through with the textbook. So this is all about creatinine clearance. Thank you.